Hi there! Welcome to PMN Online. In this video, we are going to cover how to create custom legend from map visuals in Power BI, Clear Maps. When you're working with Power BI, its map visuals can be incredibly powerful tools for data representation. However, a common challenge that many users face is the limitation of default legends. These auto-created legends may not always convey the information as clearly or precisely as you wish. That's why in this tutorial, we're diving into the process of creating your very own custom legend for map visuals in Power BI. By the time we finish, you'll have the skills to guide your audience or team with a legend that enhances clarity, even when dealing with the most complex dashboards. So let's jump right in and get started. First, we're going to open up Power BI and access the report where you wish to create this custom legend. For those of you following along, ensure that your data table is already loaded into Power BI. It's a crucial step, as you need your data ready for visualization. Many users think the legends and map visuals are set in stone, limited to whatever Power BI automatically generates. But here's the good news, that's not the case. You're not stuck with those default legends. You can add a custom legend, providing much more flexibility and control over how your data is represented. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the Fields panel on the right side of your Power BI screen. Here, locate the table that contains the data you intend to visualize on your map. Click on this table to expand its fields. Now, to introduce a custom legend, right-click on the table name itself. It's important you click on the table name and not on any specific column within it. After right-clicking, select the New Measure option. This is a powerful feature within Power BI, allowing you to create calculations and custom fields that can enhance your visuals significantly. In the formula bar that appears at the top, you'll input something like legend equals 1. This is just a basic example. You can use any static value that suits the context of your data, whether it's the number 1, 100, or any other number. The key here is to create a simple indicator that Power BI can interpret. If you're new to calculated fields, think of this measure as a sticky note attached to your table, marked with the word legend for easy identification. Once you've entered your measure, press Enter or click the check mark to confirm it. Instantly, this measure becomes a new field within your table, aptly named legend. Now it's time to put your custom legend to work in your map visual. Locate your map on the report canvas, or if you haven't added one yet, now's the time to do so. In the Visualizations pane, find your new legend measure within your fields. Then, click and drag it into the legend field well of your map. Within moments, your custom legend will appear alongside the map markers, providing viewers with an immediate reference for the information being presented. Note that Power BI may take a few seconds to update the visual, so don't worry if the legend doesn't show up instantly. If you used a specific number like 1 or 100,000, that label will be visible. You can further tailor this legend however you like to better fit the needs of your report. Creating custom legends is a smart strategy for clarifying the visual messages in your reports. And over time, it can make your dashboard significantly more user-friendly. It's akin to adding your personal touch to a map's compass rose, guiding viewers precisely as you intend. And there you have it. If this tutorial helped you, please hit the like button and feel free to comment below with any questions or suggestions for future Power BI tricks you'd like to learn about. Don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward and actionable tutorials to enhance your skills. We hope this video made it easier for you to learn how to create custom legend for map visuals in Power BI, Clear Maps. Don't forget to subscribe to PMN Online for more tutorials and tips like this.